Good day, young philosophers, and welcome again to Core 015 Introduction to Philosophy of the Human Person. This is Sir Jason, your philosophy teacher. And for today's lesson, Module 4, we will be understanding the branches of philosophy. For the lesson objectives, at the end of the lesson, you should be able to enumerate and define the branches of philosophy. Come on, and join me.
Let's get started.
It's time to learn philosophy. Philosophy now. How are you, class? Are you good? Great! That is good to hear. Today, we are going to talk about the different branches of philosophy. As you can see in the picture, there are two main branches of philosophy. Namely, we have theoretical philosophy and practical philosophy. Under theoretical philosophy, we have ontology, epistemology, metaphysics, and theodicy. Under practical philosophy, we have logic, ethics, and axiology. For theoretical philosophy, it studies the principles of human knowledge, thought, argumentation, and communication, the nature of language, consciousness, and metaphysics. Let me give emphasis on this line. This branch is more concerned on the origin, theory of knowledge, or the foundation of knowledge. In this branch, the following specific branches fall. First, we have ontology. This is the study of being. An example of ontology is when a physicist establishes different categories to divide existing things into in order to better understand those things and how they fit together in the broader world. So, ontology is the study of being alive and existing. The second one, we have epistemology. This is the study of knowledge. Epistemology is the investigation of what distinguishes justified belief from opinion. An example of epistemology is a thesis paper on the source of knowledge, a particular theory of knowledge. Third, metaphysics, the study of reality and existence. It is a difficult branch of philosophy, but it is rather easy to define. It is a study of the most fundamental concepts and beliefs about them. Examples of metaphysical concepts are being, existence, purpose, universals, property, relation, causality, space, time, event, and many others. And the last one we have theodicy, the study of God and logical abstraction. It means vindication of God. It is to answer the question of why a good God permits the manifestation of evil, thus resolving the issue of the problem of evil. Next, we have practical philosophy. It uses philosophical methods and insights to explore how people can lead wiser and more reflective lives. Let me give emphasis on this line. It focuses more on living a good life and concerns with well-being, human excellence, wisdom, love, and personal relationships, ethics, the meaning of life, and how to develop enlightened values. Under this branch, the following specific branches fall. 1. Logic, the study of correct thinking and valid reasoning. In addition to that, logic is a science that studies the principles of correct reasoning. An example of logic is deducing that two truths imply a third truth. Okay? Another example, the process of coming to the conclusion of who stole a cookie based on who was in the room at that time. Okay? We have to reason out and we have to give a correct thinking and valid reasoning in all for every situations we encounter. Second, we have ethics. This is a study of morality and right living, also known as the moral philosophy, the discipline concerned with what is morally good and bad and morally right and wrong. The term is also applied to any system of theory, moral values, or principles. It is about morality. Okay, we need to observe the way we act, the way we interact to other people, etc. Number 3, axiology, the study of values. Axiology is the philosophical study of values. That is correct. It includes questions about the nature and classification of values and of what kinds of things have values. So that is all about practical philosophy. I hope you learned today, my dear philosophers, about the two main branches of philosophy, namely theoretical philosophy and practical philosophy. Thank you for listening, and I hope you'll join me again to our next lesson. Let us always remember our hashtag spread the love of wisdom. Thank you so much, everyone. Stay safe and God bless.